What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Real quick pocket dump. In the pocket today, we got the Schwartz Overland Sport Compact MagnaCut 62 to 63. We carry that in. This is a limited edition Overland. If I can get the Ulti clip off. It's a good thing about these Ulti clips. They grab. Overland Sport with a chocolate Kydex. And then for a wallet, we got the Proof wallet. And then we carried a pocket organizer today. And in that pocket organizer, we have the Benchmade pen. We have a Surge Pachinko slip joint knife, which was our backup. And we carry that in the ARC. Flashlight for today. Sorry, a lot of movement for the camera. Nebo Slim. And then on the inside, if we needed a utility blade, we got a titanium slide utility blade. You can see this little thing works because I've cut metal with it and everything. It's just real simple, titanium slide. So we had the Surge Pachinko slip joint. I believe it's the Slip 7. Carbon fiber, M390. Schwartz Overland Sport Compact, EDC fixed blade, Nebo Mini Slim Light, Microtech pen, I believe it's the shorthand, is what it's called, and then the Proof wallet. What you guys got for Friday? Stay sharp.